In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email links open seamlessly in Outlook. Starting off, we'll first need to adjust some settings, so let's dive in and explore the steps together. First things first, open your settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and I on your keyboard simultaneously. Once you're in the settings menu, we're going to navigate to the Apps section. You'll find it by scrolling down a bit on the list that appears in the left-hand menu. Now that you're in Apps, you're going to want to look for Default Apps. This section is crucial because it allows you to customize how your apps interact with the various file types and links on your computer. Once you click on Default Apps, you might notice a bit of information about how the defaults work for different aspects of Windows, and this is exactly where we'll set Outlook to handle all of your email links. This setting will ensure that whenever you click on an email link or open certain types of email-related files, they will automatically launch Outlook. In the Default Apps section, look towards the top where you'll find a search box. This is where you'll type in Outlook, or if you're using a specific version, you might type Microsoft Outlook. When you see Outlook show up in the list of results, go ahead and select it. This is a pivotal move as it allows you to specify that Outlook should be the default program for email functions on your current device. Next, we're going to fine-tune the settings to ensure that Outlook manages all the intended email-related actions. There are a few specific actions you want to set Outlook as the default for. The first is MailTo. This is a protocol that essentially tells your computer to open an email client whenever you click on an email address link. You'll want to ensure that Outlook is selected for this. So whenever you click an email link, Outlook is the one that launches. Additionally, make sure Outlook is set as the default for files with the .eml extension. These are saved email files that you might download or receive. Ensuring Outlook handles these can save you time and keep everything streamlined. Finally, there may also be a section simply marked as Email Links. Again, you'll want Outlook to be the default here, ensuring a consistent experience each time. As you go through these steps, double-check that each one is properly selected and set to Outlook. Having it set correctly guarantees that all your email interactions happen smoothly and consistently within Outlook. With these settings, your computer is now primed to handle all email-related actions through Outlook, making your digital communication seamless and efficient. Enjoy the convenience of having all your email links and files automatically open in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for getting your email system up to speed.